I'm so blessed that I get to give the Lord so much more of my time. Seek His voice and the way He communicates to me, to all of us. If we just get away, block the noise of the world, and we seek Him, we'll find that He's just right there with us the whole time. He's waiting for us to seek Him, see Him, hear Him, believe Him. Truly blessed and thankful, beyond words, beyond measure. He'll supply you with peace. You just have to be positioned to receive it. It's there. Keep pushing and keep walking. Love you guys.